Muraita. O talaga, after your 13th grade, okay, now you have, you go to college now. What are university? Or what do you intend to take up in college? Wow! Ay, talaga, pag naging engineer ka. Oh, sige, I think your time, pag-isipan ka na, puro minor subjects muna kunin mo. Tapos mag-isip ka, kapag naubos mo na yung minor, puro major naman, tingnan ko lang kung matapos mo.
Di ba ba?
Ang hirap pinapaya mo sabay-sabay yung mga major subjects. Di ba? Minor mo, Rizal. Filipino 1, English 101. Di ba? Sige. But you have any dream aside from becoming a sailor? Talaga. Ano, how do you foresee yourself? How do you envision yourself someday? 5 years from now, you are somebody like a German teacher in the Philippines, di ba? Oh, tama. Taga-train ka ng mga German dogs. Yeah, mga sleeping dogs. Okay, sige. What are you gonna sing for us, Ralph? Oh, it's okay. You know, alam mo, pag naso-surprise ka, kung lumalabas talaga yung talent mo. Sige. Are you familiar with this song, Wherever You Will Go?
Father and son.
Father and Son!
Oh.
I hate that singers. Yung ba yung kumanta ng, Oh, get you, mes na mes kita.
Okay, the song of Father and Son. That's events.
It's not time to make a change. I love that song. Kunyari ko, Father,
Ikaw daw.
Ako! Naglalaktis ako, Father, ang itatawag mo sa akin, may kampal-kampalin kita dyan. Father, mukha ba akong ama? May ama bang one line ang kilay?
Napahuli mo.
Ikaw na lang ang Father, ako Son. Hanapin mo yung lyrics. Friendly naman yung kilay.
Hindi daw ano yun. Grandfather. Grandfather.
Madali na, anak ha? Love. Yan, ito Germany.
Ay, yes.
Nakakatuwa. Bakit ka nang napunta ng Germany? Your mother is married to a German national or you're a German national?